Hello guys, I bought these two cable from phoneBB.com. They are two magnetic cable for recharging of mobile. You asked me some evidence they doesn't work good. I'm going to connect the cable. You see, here you are two pieces of the same cable. They are, I think, a kind of magnetic. Yes. This little one, I feel this little one in my new Huawei S-Mate. As you can see, yes. Okay, and now I'm connecting the cable. The link, the right direction is down. Now, if the cable works, the LED must be blue. And if I touch, okay, no. Now, no. The mobile is brand new. Okay, now it is in charging, but at the minimum touch, oh, no, with the blue light is in charging. Now, oh, it's off again. Okay, no. Guys, as I told you, these two cables have the same behavior and they doesn't work. That's all.